Hi, welcome everyone, Chef Time YouTube channel. Today we are going to make New York cheesecake. Very few ingredients. Let's see. This is homemade recipe. You can do it your home. Try. These are the ingredients: custard sugar, whole egg liquid, whipping cream, Philadelphia cream cheese, vanilla essence, and vanilla beans fresh. Let's see the cheesecake base. Wow, it's nice. This is the New York cheesecake base. This is homemade. First, we are going to double boil cream cheese, custard sugar, and cream cheese. You need to mix until sugar melt. Once you feel sugar is melt, immediately remove from the fire. You can see this almost cream cheese melt and sugar also already melted. So I'm going to take out from the heat. Now I'm going to take out the vanilla beans. You can see. Now I will add vanilla essence also. Now I'm going to add whole egg liquid. Now I'm going to add whipping cream at last. So now our mixer is ready. Just we need to only strain. Now I'm going to strain the cheesecake mixture. When you strain, you will get very smooth cheesecake. One portion I will use 50 ml. Now we are going to bake cheesecake. You will bake this 110 degree and 40 minutes. So we bake at 110 degree 40 minutes and fan number 2. Let's see after 40 minutes. Let's see, our beautiful cheesecake is ready. Wow. Look. Let's keep cool down and we will take out after cool down the cheesecake. This is New York cheesecake. You can see I'm going to remove the cheesecake. It's already cooled down. First, slowly you remove the aluminum foil. Then make little touch. Look, wow, this looks very nice. Look at the base, nice and gold color. It's crunchy. So I'm going to taste the New York cheesecake.